How to get Snapchat Plus subscription. So if you want to get Snapchat Plus subscription, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you've opened, you need to go for the upper left, which has your profile. Tap on your profile. Under your profile, you will have Snapchat Plus. So tap on Snapchat Plus, and here, if you have your Snapchat Plus, like if you get the Snapchat Plus, then you will have all of these features that are listed here. So you can simply get to show off your pet when you're present in chat. You will have the exclusive access to custom Snapchat icons, and you will have the chat wallpapers, custom app themes. You can pin one of your friends as your number one best friend, and you can rewatch the story. You can post view emoji, Bitmoji backgrounds, Snapchat Plus badge, custom story expiration, solar system, like you can see if you are in a friend's orbit, and you can have the custom notification sounds and all of these features that you can see right here. So if you want to get the Snapchat Plus subscription, then first make sure that you have updated the application. And once you've updated from your Play Store or your App Store, you can tap on Next, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on that, here you will have subscribe button on the bottom of your screen. Again, you can tap on that subscribe. But subscribing might not be available in some regions or in some countries. So make sure that it is available in your region. So it's available, simply tap on subscribe, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on the plus, you will have the 1 month plan, or you will have free for first 7 days. So you can try the Snapchat Plus for the first 7 days for free. And you can also go for the start free trial, which is on the bottom of your screen, which will be on the bottom of your screen. So you will have two plans. One is for 1 month and the another one is for 12 months. And under 12 months, you can save 16%. You will have the 16% discount. So once you tap on subscribe, which is on the bottom, you need to add a payment method. And once you've added your payment method, you can pay for the Snapchat Plus and you will have the plan. So that's how you can get the Snapchat Plus subscription in Android or on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.